Hi guys, this is Samiksha Hawa. Welcome to my channel. I make videos related to makeup, skincare and lifestyle. Today I am creating this soft glam look for you all. So let's get started. I'm going to start with my foundation. For that I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a medium to full coverage foundation. It's super lightweight and very comfortable to wear. I've taken a little bit on the back of my hand and I'm just gonna blend everything all over my face. Also, it's a matte finish foundation, so I won't suggest this one to dry skin type. It's more suitable for normal to oily skin type people. I have oily skin and I personally really enjoy wearing this one. Then I'm just adding a little bit more foundation to build up the coverage. Then I'm going to take the round side of the sponge and I'm going to go all over my face. So what this will do is that it will just pick up all the excess product. For concealer, I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This concealer have yellow undertone, so that really helps in cancelling out the darkness. I have recently stopped applying my concealer in a triangular form because what it does is that it deposits a lot of product and that leads to creasing. Whereas with this technique, you apply a little bit less product, but at the same time you're covering up your whole under eye area. So once you're done blending your concealer, if you feel like you need more coverage, you can totally take more concealer and blend it. For powder, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. With the clean side of the sponge, I'm gonna set my under eye area. Also with the same beauty sponge, I'm gonna set my whole face. For my eyes, first I'm using this blush. It's a deep pink color blush with red undertones. So what I'm doing is that I have taken it on a big blending brush and I'm gonna go all over my eyelid. I'm going to slowly build up the intensity until I am satisfied with the color. Then I'm taking this Faces Canada eyeshadow palette and I'm going to pick up the brown shade and I'm going to build it into my crease. Then I'm going to blend the outer edges to make sure there are no harsh lines. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Obsession Shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. So with the brush application, there was not much of a payoff. Then I decided to apply this shadow with my finger and the payoff was much better. So this happens sometimes that some shadows works better with your finger rather than brush application. So definitely try it. Then I'm taking the same brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Then for lashes, first I'm going to curl my lashes. Just be very careful while doing this step. Also, I have filled in my brows off camera, and if anyone follows many MUA and knows the drill, then comment down below. For mascara, first I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise mascara and I'm gonna apply one coat of this mascara on my upper lashes. For my second mascara, I'm going in with the Maybelline Colossal. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of this mascara on my upper and lower lashes. So combining 2 different mascaras will give you more volume and drama, and that's what I wanted for this look. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Colossal Kajal and I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. I'm not going to apply this kajal to my lower waterline. I'm only concentrating it on my upper waterline. So what this will do is that this will give our lashes more fuller look. Then I'm taking this Lancome Shimmer eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners. Highlighting your inner corners will give your eyes a more brighten up look. Now coming back to the face, first I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing. For that, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze Bronzer. That's a little big name. So I'm gonna apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, on my hairline, and also I'm gonna blend it on my jawline. So I like to use stamping and swirling motion to blend out my bronzer. For blush, I'm taking the Sugar Salmon Superstar. It's the same blush that I used for my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna apply it on the highest part of my cheek, and I'm gonna blend my blush into my bronzer. Then I'm gonna spray some of the setting spray just to melt down all the powder products. For highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. I'm gonna apply it above my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose, and also a little bit on the chin. Also, I'm going to take this Lancome eyeshadow. I absolutely love using this one as my highlighter. It has the perfect amount of sheen and the glitter particles are so finely melted that just looks absolutely stunning on the skin. For lips, I'm taking this Sugar Creme lipstick in the shade The Brown Ultimatum number 3. Also, all the product details are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Then I'm applying some gloss. For that, I'm taking the Kiko Milano. It's their 3D Hydra lip gloss. And this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any suggestion what video should I do next, then please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Take care.